Hi there. Today is Monday, first day of 10th grade for Haley. First day of the last week of kindergarten for Nathan. Let's see. We didn't do anything today. No, we did school, obviously. That's pretty much all we did. We went to the store to get dog food. Let's see. Haley started reading Julius Caesar. I think I may have mentioned that last night, that she was going to start that. We started reading through the New Testament together, starting with Mark. We'll get back to Matthew later. She seems pretty excited about this year and all the things that she gets to read this year. She's really looking forward to Pride and Prejudice, so I really hope she enjoys it. What else? Anything else? Nothing else. I still haven't done coupons. I've got a whole stack of them right there under my binders that I still need to clip. Let's see. Buddy bought a harmonica. I'm not quite sure why. I guess he wants to try to learn how to play it. Let's see. So yeah, we're studying colors. So while we were buying dog food, I also bought Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss for Nate. I need to find it now. Who knows? Maybe it's in the kitchen. Oh, it's been super windy today. That's the other thing I was going to talk about. It's been windy today. Like gusts up to 50 miles an hour, something like that. 50. Our fence is still standing because we bought a new fence a couple years ago, and it's still up. Some of our neighbors have lost shingles, not immediate neighbors, I don't think, but some people we know that live a few streets over that go to our church, so they're on Facebook. They've lost shingles. Some fences around town, I've heard, have blown down. Buddy went out to check our shingles earlier and he said they were fine. I was just taking Nellie out to use the potty and I didn't see any fence. I didn't see any shingles down. What am I trying to say? I'm distracting myself with the Nook that's open over here and plugged in. Took Nellie out back to potty and our fence is still fine. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Let's see. Anything else? We actually got up this morning, like in the morning, to do school today instead of waiting till the afternoon, which we've been doing since at least last summer. Yeah, I did Nate's school in the morning too. At 11. Late morning, but still. I think that's all for today. Yeah, I watched some interesting stuff. And unreportable, not unreportable, but not necessary to report on. Things on TV. Our DVR is empty. We have watched everything on it, and so we've resorted to watching live TV. And yeah. The things you find on live TV these days. Yeah. So we've been watching some odd things. Yeah, I can't think of anything else that I've got to talk about. So I'm gonna go to bed. It's 5 till 12. It's not even tomorrow yet, and I'm already going to bed. Imagine that. I didn't get much work done on this slipper that I was working on. I'm not sure if I didn't work on it at all today, in fact. So here's as far as I had gotten yesterday. No farther. Because I'm afraid I might not have enough yarn left to finish it. And so I just wasted a whole day of knitting that I could have been doing instead of, actually getting around to finding out whether I have enough yarn or not. I mean, if I don't, I've already got the one slipper made of the pair. So if I don't have enough to finish that slipper, then I can just, you know, rip this one apart and unravel it and just reuse the yarn for scraps. Kind of like that one that I did with the different colors. Different lengths, different widths of rows of different colors. I could do another like that. Another pair like that with the yarn. So, or I was thinking about possibly maybe that color and like the gray and just doing really broad stripes. So maybe just like 3 like gray and then rust and then gray and then rust and then we'll be done, instead of doing all the different colors. I was thinking about doing that with the rust and with that burnt orange, I'm sure my husband would call it. Either with the gray and that, or gray and green. No, what other color was I thinking of? I'm not even sure anymore. Anyway, but yeah, just doing bold, you know, like bold stripes instead of the small ones or the different sized ones or whatever. I don't know. I'll decide and I will show you when I've made them. Nellie, don't get up there. There's nothing for you. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed since, like I said, it's now 3 till 12. So if I'm gonna get to bed, I'm not gonna get to bed before midnight. It's impossible. I've still got to brush my teeth. But anyway, I showed you the quail one. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.